What's going on? Good news. The tool that I was waiting on finally came in. What this is going to do, if you remember from a little earlier, that's got to fit right in there to pull that last piece out. That's the low reverse clutch housing. So with this, we'll be able to take that out. I'm all set up for the day. I got tools. I got coffee. Let's see if we can wrap this up. So I took out the beveled retaining ring. Now we're going to take this right here, insert the tool into the housing and lock the tool into place, rock the housing back and forth with the tool, and pull it out. So so maybe not, maybe it's this. There we go. Now we lock it into place. Getting there. Rock the housing back and forth. Oh. Well, I guess that's out. Very cool. So we'll set that over here. I'm gonna leave that just like that for now. Now, next step, what do we got? The low reverse clutch housing spacer ring from the case lugs. The spacer ring. It looks like they're just doing that with a screwdriver. Spacer ring. Grasp the output shaft and remove the remainder of the rear unit parts from the case. Separate the low reverse clutch plates from the assembly. Oh shoot, that's coming right out. And that is all of that right there. Here's the inside of the transmission. So there's the inside of the transmission. Fortunately, I don't think I see any scuffing, except for maybe there's a little bit that's right here. So all I'm trying to do here is find any very obvious signs of damage, which I'm not seeing any, except I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but right here where my finger is, there's sort of a series of what look like scratch marks, and they kind of feel like scratch marks too, but they don't feel like indents. They almost sort of feel like bumps. So I don't really know what that is. I can only imagine that they were there to begin with, but maybe I'll find something to sort of tear that, or not. Maybe I'll find something to sort of level that down a little bit, try to prevent any future issues from happening. But so now what it looks like is everything's disassembled, so now we can only work over here to finish up. So took the output shaft and removed all that stuff. Now I've got to separate these. I want to try to keep these close together because I don't want to have to figure out what's what here. So remove the low roller clutch and rear carrier assembly from the output shaft and remove the low roller clutch inner race. Which is this here. Ouch. Okay, then remove the low roller clutch from the rear carrier assembly. That's this. Ooh. See, now this is going to be a problem. All of these little rollers right here just come in and out like that. So I definitely don't want to do anything to mess with those. So that's pretty much it. This is the whole transmission taken apart. We checked the clutches, we checked the steels, we checked the insides, did some other inspection while the camera was off. Next time, we're going to be putting all of this back together. So stay tuned for that. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. You'll get an update every time I post a new video, and you'll be able to track the progress as we continue to put this transmission back together, put it back in the car, and get it up and running again. For now, see you next time.